resources, conservation of resources, and the last question is sustainable resources. Sustainable development, you can use the word sustainable development. So this is the end of the lecture of third session and the chapter is over. But before completing the chapter, before concluding the chapter, let me recall the complete part. First, we have learned resources. What are resources? Next, we have learned types of resources. Thirdly, we have learned what we call as classification of resources. Fourthly, we have learned conservation of resources. And fifthly, sustainable development. So guys, textual question answers are there. There will be a PDF file which will be sent to your groups and you have to just go through the lesson. If any doubt, if any queries are there, you can just post on their doubts and a page number and the paragraph number. You will get the reply within 24 hours. More importantly, the textual questions are there. Why are resources unevenly distributed all over the earth? Simple question का आंसर मैं आपको गाइडलाइन दे रहा हूँ कि क्यों unevenly distributed है. क्योंकि कुछ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया में क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन अलग है, टोपोग्राफी अलग है. That you will come to know. ये लेसन के अंदर दिया हुआ है. Go through it, you will come to know. Next, what is resource conservation? That is resource conservation question already kept on the board. Next, why human resource important है? Important क्यों है? Already explained to you. What is sustainable development? Again repeating, development होना चाहिए without compromising the needs of the future generation and without harming the environment. So these are the distinguish between में आपके पास already है actual and potential, renewable, non-renewable, biotic and abiotic resources. That's the end of my side. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, and hopefully you enjoy, stay blissful life ahead. Thank you.